This is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document using this device and later transform it into a PDF file. So to begin with, check whether your system has the Google Drive app. Usually it comes pre-downloaded or pre-installed. If not, just get it for free from the Play Store app. So as you can see, this one. Now we can just go ahead and launch the Google Drive, sign in if necessary, then tap on this little plus sign at the bottom right corner. You know what, prior to continuing, I'll remove all the files that I had here previously, like so. So now tap on this little plus sign over here, choose the scan option, grant Google Drive the camera permission. Once the viewfinder or the camera interface opens, just take a document that you wanted to scan. Here I have like this little sample laid flat and straight in front of you, and take a good picture of the document in question. Make sure that it is aligned correctly, make sure that it is all straight and pretty. Then once you're ready to take a scan, tap on the shutter button of the camera, then look at the result that you've got. If you're satisfied with it, you can proceed. If not, you can retake the photo by tapping on this cross sign. I'll actually go further since the result is good enough for me. Now at the following page you can crop the document. Even if your original scan wasn't 100% straight and aligned, you can fix it at this little interface. So I'll probably crop it a little, make it more aligned, trim off the edges, like so, let's say. Then I'll tap on the done button. Here is the document that I've got. Looks alright. Now in order to save it, just tap on the respective save button over here. At the following page you can rename the file if needed. I'll rename it to scan. Let's say, why not? Then choose the account that it will be saved to as well if you want to, or if you have multiple accounts used. As well as you can change its path where it will be saved to exactly at your Google Drive. Once you're ready to finally save the document, just tap on the save button over here, and here we have our pretty scan. So as you can see, it's not just a photo turned into PDF, it's a real deal scan. All the colors were washed out. It's in black and white. Looks like a scan to me. And obviously it is a PDF file. So all the goals that we set for ourselves at the start of this video were successfully fulfilled. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your attention, and bye bye.